Alright people, the newly tuned RS3 Stage 1 with stock Audi sports exhaust open. Righto, let's see how it sounds. Righto, exhaust open, let's close it. What do you reckon? Sounds alright, eh? Far out. It's like a new car. The thing fucking flies. Yeah, so we got the stage 1, as they say, or call it, today. And according to that's how many Ks we got on it. We've done a bit of driving. Let's have a look at another video, compare it to when I first got it. But anyway, what's happened too? Check this out. Far out, it makes a nice pop and bang, but it's always done that. The rev line is a little higher, so that's nice. So yeah, extra revs is good. But yeah, wow. Not that it was slow, but you know, it's just nice to have it a little hottened up. Wow, what a difference it makes, though, I tell you, boys. Made a big difference. So we're probably sitting around 315, 20 kilowatt, I suppose, until I get the intake downpipe. Yeah, that'll do us for now. But yeah, boys, we finally got it done, eh? Might get new wheels in the future, I don't know. Might even keep it sort of sleeper kind of looking. But righto, that's about it. Just wanted to let you know. She's a little ripper. Best thing I ever bought. Yeah, definitely. Well, I did buy a house once and had to sell it because the partner was fucking around. But yeah, you get that. So wasn't that long ago. But yeah, this is kind of what's replaced that. And do you know what? Some of the curves and lines on this thing are fucking far more attractive than any woman, I reckon. Righto, just don't tell her I said that, yeah? Tell anyone I said it. Who cares? See ya.